Hello everyone, welcome to your social science class. In the last class, we have talked about the South African Constitution and the role played by Nelson Mandela. In today's class, we'll be talking about the making of the Indian Constitution. In the previous class, I have asked you few questions that do we have our own constitution? Who drafted the Indian Constitution? Some of you have answered very nicely. So it is my request to all the students to participate in the interactive session. You are getting an opportunity and you should make use of it. Okay. So in today's session, everybody is going to answer the question that I am going to ask in the video. Now, a question comes in front of everybody of us. That is, do we need a constitution? Why? Yes, we do need a constitution. We will learn a lot about why do we need a constitution and how the constitution of India was framed out. Okay, before moving toward that, I would like to tell you that every country has its own constitution. A constitutional nation is set of written laws accepted by the people. Okay, means every nation is having its own constitution. It is going to bind the people together. Beside that, it is going to generate trust and coordination between the people and the government. Okay, the constitution lays down limits on the power of the government. Okay, it expresses the aspiration of the people about creating good society. These all features are related to why do we need constitution, why it is necessary that every country should have a constitution of its own. Now moving towards the next slide. In this screen I have shown you two maps of India. One is of British India, that is 1945, and this one is your present India. This will give you a clear picture how was the structure and now what is present. Presently we are having 28 states. Okay, in the comment section you all have to write presently how many territories we are having. Okay, I am not going to answer, you people have to write presently how many territories are there in India. So everybody have to answer in the comment section. Now moving towards the next slide. In this slides we'll be learning about the challenges that were faced by the makers of the Indian Constitution. First, the Indian Constitution was drawn up under very difficult circumstances. Why difficult circumstances? Because when the Constitution of India was framed, at that time the partition of India was taking place. Means your India was divided into your Pakistan and India, and at that time the condition was very critical. Beside that, the making of an Indian Constitution for use and diverse country. You all know that India is a diverse country with its cultural differences, cultural norms, different religious, caste, creed. Okay, so we are having a lot of diversity in India, and it is very difficult to bind all the people of different cultures, society together. Beside that, the country was born through the partition on the basis of religious differences. Okay, now your Pakistan was mainly Muslim dominated, and so partition was basically taking place because of religious differences. And during the partition, a lot of people were killed. That also created issues, and people were having problem in framing out the constitution. They were worried whether this constitution is going to be helpful for the future generation or not. Another reason is your unification of princely state. What is this? Means that in this princely state were giving the British gave the opportunity to the princely state that whether you want to remain an independent country or you want to join the Pakistan or you want to join the India. So they were also creating issues. अब प्रिंसली स्टेट को ये कहा गया था कि आप अपना कंट्री बना सकते हैं, नहीं तो आप इंडिया को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो पाकिस्तान को ज्वाइन करते हैं. तो उनको यूनिफाई करने का प्रोसेस था वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट था, और यूनिफाई हुए. फाइनली दे मर्ज विद इंडिया, बट दे क्रिएटेड लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज फॉर द स्टेट during that time. Now, the maker of the constitution has anxieties about the present and future of the country that we have already discussed. Now, moving towards the next slide. The path to the constitution. We'll be discussing in this that how it was framed, who were the maker of the Indian Constitution, and how it was framed out. In 1928, drafted constitution for the India by Motilal Nehru and eight other Congress leaders. Okay, this idea was brought up by the Motilal Ji Nehru and eight other members of the Congress leader. Okay, when it was decided in 1931, resolution at Karachi. Karachi is in Pakistan. I have shown in your map. Okay, independent India constitution should look like with the following features. Now they decided that in Karachi session they decided that we are going to have a constitution, and in that we are going to follow certain feature. What is that? Your in universal adult franchise, right to freedom and equality, to protect the right of the minorities. These were the features that were kept in mind when the constitution was framed out. Now moving towards the next slide. These were the members, your Motilal Ji Nehru and B.R. Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad, Sarojini Naidu. These were the members, few of the members of the Congress party. Now coming towards the source of the Indian constitution. A constitution has been taken from all over the world. Some of the features are taken from your British Constitution, Vermeer Constitution, American Constitution, Soviet Constitution, then your Canadian Constitution, South African, Irish Constitution, Government of India. Maximum of your constitution part is taken from the Government of India Act 1935, and last one your Australian Constitution. These we will discuss in the details in the coming topics. Now, many educated Indians were familiarized with the political and legislative institution during the colonial British rule. Okay, the year of thinking and deliberation on the frame of the constitution had another benefits. Now, moving towards the next. Many of the leader was inspired by him. Where this inspiration of making of the constitution came from, we'll discuss that. The inspiration mainly came from the idea of French Revolution that you have studied in your previous classes, the socialist revolution in the Russia, the practice of parliamentary democracy of Britain, the Bill of Rights in USA, but they didn't simply intimate these principles. Okay, so these all have inspired the people or the maker of the Indians to frame the constitution so that we can have a better society future. Now I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. You are going to write how the constitution of India was framed and who were the people that were involved in that. Okay, you have to mention few names and in which session it was decided that we should have a constitution. These three questions you have to write the answer in the comment section. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.